I want to be back in that dance number. And I want to meet Sandhya. Do we have a deal? Do I have a choice?
I finally got you, Rupa! You better pretend to be sober inside. I don't want to have any more reasons to dislike you.
Sheena is totally khatam. Nobody's giving her any role.
You can have whatever you want, ma'am. This entire place is yours for the night.
How many times will love pass me by till I find you again?
Who's there? You did this, na?
I did what, yaar? They made me wait outside. You called me over here.
सर क्या हुआ? मैडम को घर पे ड्रॉप कर देना। पर सर आप आज मेरा वॉक करने का मूड है किशन। सर वॉक? जानते हो तुम्हारी मैडम ना, शी इज डिफरेंट।
अच्छा, tell me something first. Dear, what kind of a restaurant is this? I mean, you called me here and they didn't let me come inside. अरे मुझे वेट कराया बाहर यार। Do they know who I am? I am Kunal Khosla. ये बाकी सब क्या है? घर भेज दिया?
Kunal, why aren't you understanding? I'm telling you, I actually saw somebody over here, yeah.
I know who.
What?
It was your double.
Kunal, you're drunk.
Oh. You just screwed my happiness yesterday. I'm gone.
I'm gone too. Sandhya had thrown me out of all the movies. No producer is even taking my call now.
So who told you to put that stupid prank? I mean, कुछ sense होना चाहिए. What are you thinking when you're doing something as stupid as that? मेरी भी मरवा दी ना.
I don't know, yaar. Something. I just thought it was a brilliant idea.
Look where a brilliant idea has landed the both of us.
Now what?
Now what? Now what?
I don't know, Kunal. You have to help me. I just want to meet Rupa. I want to meet Sandhya. No, yaar.
Are you deaf or something? Hello, आपको सुनाई दे रहा है? Rupa's not talking to me anymore, यार. How is मेरे से नहीं बात कर रही? How is she going to talk to you? अच्छा, listen. Just relax. ये सब तो होता रहता है. And anyway, things like this will eventually cool down. वैसे, what do you think? I don't have influence. My name is Kunal Khosla. What do you think? That fat cow Sandhya can only make calls and all, ना? अरे मैं भी जानता हूँ बहुत सारे producers को. अभी phone घुमाऊँगा, अभी call लेंगे मेरी. So.
Thanks.
Yeah, I'll make you speak to producers, यार. मेरी भी काफी पहुँच है. Don't worry. कुणाल खोसला यार.
Let's talk to them about Rupa and Kunal's engagement next month. My Panditji was saying...
What engagement? After what Kunal did last night, I wouldn't be surprised if she dumps him altogether. Hello, Rupa.
Hello.
So nice to see you.
Same.
Sorry if there was any inconvenience.
As if we can ignore Sanjay Khosla's imperious summons. No, not at all.
Jaljeera.
I'm sorry, we don't really keep anything stronger.
Perhaps you should. Maybe then bartenders all over town wouldn't call Kunal their steadiest customer. That's so nice.
Rupa beta, about yesterday. I know how you feel.
Kunal, he humiliated me.
I understand, beta, but all I'm asking you to do is to give him another chance. I've spoken to him, and you don't know how sorry he feels for what he did.
Shouldn't he be here already?
He's on his way.
कुणाल बाबा, बड़े साहब ने बुलाया है।
हाँ, देखते हैं थोड़ी।
बाबा, सर इज वेरी एंग्री, एकदम 3rd डिग्री।
क्या 3rd डिग्री? अच्छा, listen, I'll call you very soon, okay? You take care. Bye.
कहीं पहले क्यों नहीं बताया यार?
I'm sorry I'm late.
Well, what are you waiting for? Christmas? Diwali? Don't you owe the lady an apology? Kunal?
I'm sorry, Rupa. I'm very sorry.
Don't you sorry me, okay? Don't think you're going to get away with a simple sorry.
Look, I didn't mean to, okay? I'm really sorry. I screwed up.
Listen, what Kunal has done is really deplorable. But can't you see how sorry he is for what he's done? You must forgive him, Rupa. I apologize on his behalf. You won't listen to me?
No, I didn't mean that. I mean, it's okay, actually.
Let it go now.
Do forgive him, Rupa. This one time. Please say you do.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, that's great. So we are all right now. Well, you two make up and give each other a hug. Shall we? We need to get these two married soon, Sandhya. I mean, at their age, you know how they could get out of control.
What the hell are you doing, man? That's my little soldier.
You better keep your little soldier in control, Kunal, or else.
Your Kunal is like a bull in perpetual heat. What's the hurry, Sanjay? Let him settle down professionally.
What settle down? I mean, he's not on the streets, is he? I had so many flops in my initial years, and he'll also make it.
I can never forgive you for what you've done last night.
Yaar, I didn't sleep with her, Rupa, so it doesn't count.
It's a question of that one big hit, and then everything changes.
It's been six months since you and me have played. You know that?
Kunal, you're disgusting.
Disgusting? Isme disgusting होने की क्या बात है भाई? You know that my little soldier needs to play ping pong from time to time, yaar. So, what do you say?
I wish he had got that Arjun Lohar film. It would have skyrocketed his career.
Yeah, that was sad, I must say, but then he has to learn from his mistakes. And I don't want to interfere in his career, really. I mean...
What's the point of being such a powerful superstar if you can't get your own son one hit movie? I suppose that's another way of looking at things.
I don't believe it. Today I had to apologize to that Sandhya Khanna.
But what has he done? Will somebody please tell me?
Do you think nobody knows? Do you know how many strings I had to pull to keep the story away from the media? Huh? Kunal Khosla got red-handed by his fiancée Rupa in a hotel room with an item girl.
What?
You want to enlighten your mother about what you did? What is the name of the girl?
What?
What?
Sheena Malik.
There you have it. God damn it.
Sheena's so-called brilliant idea had even made the great Sanjay Khosla lose his sleep.
We have to do something. We have to go to Vaishno Devi. We have to. We must go. Don't worry.
Mr. Vijay, you can go in.
calling me, you retard.
Sheena decided to go address the root of the whole problem. She had to take the bull by its horns.
रूपा जी से मिलना है.
नाम?
शीना मलिक.
शक्ति सिंह जी, कोई शीना मलिक आई है, कहते हैं रूपा जी से मिलना है. हाँ ठीक है, आ रहे हो.
शीना मलिक?
I'm Sheena.
भाई साहब, रूपा बिटिया के लिए मेरे बेटे का मैंने रिश्ता लाया है. ससुरा कहता है कि सिर्फ रूपा बेटी से शादी करेगा, वरना जिंदगी भर कुंवारा रह जाएगा. हाँ
जी, रूपा जी का अभी शादी करने का कोई इरादा नहीं है.
हम अपनी जान दे देंगे.
अरे नहीं नहीं बेटा, नहीं नहीं बेटा.
देखिए, उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आप एक काम करिए, अपना फोटो मुझे दे दीजिए, मैं रूपा जी को दे दूंगा.
देखिए भाई साहब, हमें कोई दहेज वहेज नहीं चाहिए. हमारी बहुत बड़ी आटे की चक्की है बरेली में. रूपा बेटी बहुत खुश रहेंगी वहाँ.
शीना,
यहाँ तक आए तो एक बार मिल लेते हैं.
अब क्या मिलना बेटे, अब तो जिंदगी भर मिलता ही रहेगा. चल.
I hope you've remembered to pack everything. And listen, concentrate on your work. There's nothing more important than focus at this point of time. Understood? Let me help you with that. You don't need that on the shoot. And baby, please, 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 please get some sleep on the flight. Getting dark circles under your eyes, baby.
That's the least of my worries, Mom.
I know. Don't worry about Kunal, darling. We'll sort it out when you get back. Honestly, he's not worth it. Drop him.
Didi, I also want to come with you. I like Chennai. I want to see Kovalam.
But Mom, you said that they were royalty, right?
Yes. At that point of time, I didn't realize the crown jewels were just fake imitations, darling.
Didi, please now.
Guddu, Kovalam is not in Chennai, okay? And in this condition, you need to take care of yourself.
चलो 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 भाई. I'm dropping Ruby to the airport. चलो बेटा.
There's no need for that, Amar.
There's no need for many other things, Sandhya. Come here, I'm waiting for you in the car, okay? Come fast.
Bye, Rima.
Ouch! Ow! How could you hit me like that? Did he feel it? I can feel a kick. I seriously can feel a kick.
It's just 2 months, you drama queen. Cut it out.
Didi, please, no, don't go.
Be good, okay?
I gotcha. But I want to miss you very badly. Bye, Mom.
Yeah.
Shakti Singh, don't forget to get that toilet bag, okay? It's got my toilet seat. Don't you know how unhygienic it is out there? Please get it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Myself Sridhar. Be comfortable. You have come to be heroine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have that stuff in you, I know.
I actually wanted...
I know Sandhya ji. I'll talk to her personally.
Thank you.
So this is that item girl. Keep her waiting.
Sure. You have to take care of all these people, and there'll be one Sabha, there'll be one Reshma. Hello. Yeah. I'm very busy right now.
How long now? Just wait for 5 minutes.
Fully understood. And you know exactly who to talk to.
Shakti ji.
Sure. Madam is very busy today. It will not be possible.
But you know, I've been waiting.
It seemed like Sheena's opportunity to meet Sandhya was slipping away. But Sheena had made up her mind, by hook or by crook.
Shakti ji, listen to me now.
me what?
Oh, leave me! What are you doing? What are you doing? What did you just say? Compromise?
Excuse me?
Compromise, you said, huh? You wanted to meet me in the hotel room, no? Yeah, I'll do that. Sandhya, I just want to meet her right now. Where is she? Just tell me where the room is. And I just see you.
What?
Yes, Rupa. Yes, I speak to him. What? You want something? You want something? You want to say something? You want to say something? Take my number from the receptionist and call me when you found your voice. Yes, Rupa. Yes, I'll speak to him.
Hello? Who's this?
This is Maya. May I speak with Sheena Malik, please?
I'm sorry, who Maya?
Maya Kumari, the actress?
In your dreams, Maya Kumari? Who's this? Anu, ye tu hai na? Please don't joke, huh?
Hey, it's really me, Maya Kumari.
Maya Kumari? You mean the Maya Kumari?
Next week on Bombay Talking.
Do you want to be an item number for the rest of your wretched life? Answer me, Sheena. Yes? Try draining some sense into that stupid daughter of yours. And for a change, show some balls.
The ones you removed years ago.
Let her be. She is not interested in his son. His father hasn't been caught for 10 years. Sanjay, you could give him the birthday.
I will stand by you because it's your decision.
Very, very happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, huh?